Hello, hello, hello. How's it going, everyone? Hello from Dione again. It's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate team. Remax House of Real Estate on this really, really rainy day in Airdrie. I'm in Airdrie today. It's kind of gross. It's not very nice out right now. What do you guys think of this weather? It's very rainy and hoping it doesn't rain too fast, too much, because some people are getting a bit nervous about the rivers getting a little bit too high. I'm gonna have faith that I hope that they don't. And hey, Megan. Yeah, it's so windy and wet. I've been staging all day. I'm like, I'm not gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna braid my hair and then it's gonna be fine. Oh man, you almost lost your trampoline. Ooh. It's been really difficult kind of staging, like bringing pieces of art and stuff into people's houses today. It's like it's hard to do because it's gonna like blow you away down the street. So in and out of houses. And so we just staged this house today in Cooper's. Well, finished it today. And it's gonna be on the market pretty soon, a couple days, probably should be on the market. So hopefully you guys are staying dry and not too cold. It's quite a lovely situation today here, but the show must go on and we still list houses. We still do our thing. Our team's still working really hard and we just smile and we just keep doing it, right? Hi, Dave. How's it going? How are you today? You staying dry, warm? Okay, so anyway, here I am, a 668 Reynolds Crescent in Airdrie. It's in Cooper's Crossing. This is a McKee home. It is almost new. It's about 6 months old. I helped these guys pick it out, helped them pick all their choices. They did such a great job. It's such a cute, gorgeous, cozy house. It's a really good sized house too. It's about, we just got it measured today, but it's around 2,000 square feet, a little bit over. And, what is the ballina? It's the ballina floor plan. So there's still a show home just down the street, and I know they're still building them. So if you're looking for that floor plan and you're thinking of building, there's one already built right here that you could just come and buy. So it's 3 bedrooms up with a big bonus room and laundry upstairs. Main floor is really spacious, nice big kitchen, as you can see behind me, this nice white kitchen with the contrasting, like a dark gray island. I'll show you that when I flip the camera around. And basement's partly finished by McKee. They did the drywall and the electrical. And so it's partly done. And thank you for all of the hearts and the thumbs ups and the smiles. I am loving that. I love to see that so much. Okay, so if you're looking for a home like this that's pretty much brand new, white kitchen, quartz countertops, McKee in Cooper's, it's in the southwest end of Airdrie. Make sure you message us if you want to see this. If you know a friend that's looking, you could tag them, share this video, all those things. You could do any of that. As I always say, we'd be very grateful if you would share or tag or whatever. So I'm not gonna go outside. I can show you the street. Let me see. Oh, it's so windy, you guys. It's a nice street, I promise. It's a nice quiet street. It's got parks. It's close to, I'm just gonna close that door. It's close to the Cooper's promenade. That is, you could just walk to groceries, pubs. What else is there? Dry cleaners, Shoppers Drug Mart, Save On Foods. There's a liquor store. You can walk to that. There's parks, there's schools. There's a school right across this road here. And there's also a school a Catholic school right there. So you can walk to anywhere, but you don't get the school traffic. So this is a really great house if you're looking to move to Airdrie. Hi, Carla. How you doing? Hi, Sandra. If you're looking for a great home close to schools, close to everything in Airdrie, and one of the best communities in Airdrie, this is the one. 668 Reynolds Crescent Southwest. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys this house. Feels like my camera is crooked. I don't know what my gimbal is doing today, but hopefully it's not too annoying for you guys. Okay, so here you go. You come in the front door and we've got this beautiful entryway. It's a very spacious one. You look all the way through to the back of the house. Nice and bright. They got this really great wide plank floor. I think it's vinyl. It's a luxury vinyl plank. Nice big closet here. You could put a bench if you wanted. This is the wreath from the front of the door. It's not going on right now because it will blow away. Okay, so you come in and wait, they've got this super cute sitting area here. Could put a desk if you wanted, whatever you want. But I love the idea of these chairs, have some coffee. It's another area for somebody to sit when they're visiting you. You know, it's a good place. It's a really great entertaining house. So here we have this so much counter space in this kitchen. We have stainless steel appliances, nicely upgraded. It's like a gray, it's like a white gray kind of a wash cabinet. Super cool. All these cabinets here, they've got a drawer that pulls out for your recycling and your garbage. We've got pot and pan drawers here. 9-foot ceilings. A really big dining area. Check out that dining area. And the living room is very nice and easy to furnish. These are big, this is big furnishings they have and it all fits. We've got a TV mount up there and also a gas fireplace. It also runs on batteries, so if you run out of power, I've heard that it'll still go. It will go without gas. That's what the sellers have told me. I hope I have that right. Anyway, we've got that pond over there and there's a school right over there across the road. A really pretty view. Okay, here's the other view from this way. And there's a deck. It's a south backyard. What do you guys think? Do you love this? Yes, I know. What do you think about that desk area? I guess maybe could somebody tag Megan? Is Megan around? Tyler must be busy. Caitlin as well. Okay, let's go through. Let's go through here. Okay, what do you think so far? Do you love it? This is a huge pantry. It's a double pantry, very large pantry right here. Powder room's tucked away. Oh, is Megan here? Hey, Meg. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. You're on there as the Dione Irwin team. Okay, here's the powder room. Then you have also a mud room right here. I think McKee had this as their show home. They might still have it as their show home. It's just a gorgeous layout. So we've got a nice little hook with the bench here, and so this is right off your double attached garage. It's right in here. And you have a lot of hanging space. You can close this door if you want to close it to the world for people coming in. Oh, Megan, you switched over to Megan. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the basement after. It's unfinished. Well, it's partly finished, but I'm going to show it to you after. Yeah, well, it's such a gorgeous home. The walls are a nice neutral color. The carpet is neutral. I mean, it still smells new in here. It's got great layout. I love this layout because you come up here, you've got your central bonus room, which separates the two bedrooms, which are down in that little wing. That's the two other kids' rooms. And then you got your full primary suite right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you that first. So here is the gorgeous primary suite. Look at that. That is a huge king-size bed. Large side tables. Phew, oh, excuse me. Sorry, you guys. I get the sneezes sometimes, you know. Okay, we've got room for dressers, everything here. And then the ensuite. Look at this. So this is higher. They had this raised up a little bit. It's an upgrade, so you're not bending over so far when you're going to wash your face and stuff. I like that. We've got a beautiful tub shower right here and a huge walk-in closet. Really nice size. Isn't that nice? Look how big this is. So big. Such a good size closet. And they have a dresser in here, which is nice. There's enough room so you have to put all your furniture out in your bedroom. Okay, and it's got Debbie. Yes, I know. When you're tall, you know, it's nice. It's especially nice when you're taller to have a high counter. It's got a pocket door, so that closes off. So if one of you is sleeping or whatever. Okay, but this is a gorgeous room. And look at the light fixture. It's so sparkly. It's very simple, but sparkly. Okay. It's move-in ready. It's great. It's very nice. Okay, look at the laundry. Upper laundry room, a full room. It's got these nice drawers beneath it. So they're really good height. They're a nice height once again. And then lots of storage here, your linen storage. Right there. Okay, so in the bonus room, they've got a work area. Plus, this is like a day bed, right? You could have a sectional, chairs, whatever. It's a really great size. And it's easy to furnish because it's got the windows, but they're taller. So you can put furniture all up against that wall. This whole way you can put furniture here. And they've got a little TV area. So it's a perfect spot for TV. I know, this house is so organized. They've done such an awesome job. They love their house. An opportunity has come up, so they're going to go for it. We just kind of help them buy it, but that happens in life. Okay, check out the size of these rooms. These are so big. That's a single bed, but you can fit a queen in here. Easy, with a desk too. It's so new that they still have these paper blinds on. That's how new it is. Okay, I know that they got the closets organized. I don't know, hopefully they don't mind that I'm showing. I just want to show you how big these are. Like, look how big. I think the closet looks beautiful, by the way. I have got children and it's not easy to keep the closets clean. I just want to show you how big that closet is. Okay, here's the main bath right here. Nice, a nice tub and shower once again. And then let's look at this room. This is a very cool room. Oh my goodness, the wind is so strong today. Okay, check this out. This is their daughter's room. It's so cute. Their kids are so adorable. Okay, so that's a double bed, I think. Definitely could fit a queen in here too. It has also a desk. It's got the dresser right here. It's really nice for furnishing. These rooms are really nice. And then look at this, has a walk-in closet, which looks amazing, I must say. This is not an easy task. So walk-in closet here, huge closet there. Okay, let's see. Let's take you guys down to the basement. And then I'm gonna tell you the price. So it's coming soon. Our sign broke today. The post actually broke. So there's no sign at the front. There's a sign on the back fence, but there's no front sign. So 668 Reynolds Crescent, Southwest Airdrie. Okay, we're gonna go into the basement. So this was finished by McKee, the builder. So the electrical has permits, of course. So these guys use it for like a family rec room. So they love it like this. This is how they love to have it because they can kind of play it, especially when I met them during COVID. Their other basement was like a gymnastics hockey thing. It was so cool. So they did that with this one too. They put mats down here. We got punching bag, weights, bike, all the things. And this is like synthetic ice because their son is like really into hockey. So that's what they do down here. It's in great shape though. Like everything they have is always in great shape. Okay, but I want to show you guys the basement because of these windows. Awesome sized windows down here. So two big windows. You could put a bedroom right here really easily. They have it open, but you could easily put a wall right here. Have this as your bedroom. and then your open area all along here. And then it's done really well because over here is the bathroom rough-in right there. We have some bunnies. Hello, bunnies. They're very cute. The bunnies aren't allowed upstairs, just so you know. They don't touch the carpet or anything. And then we've got the electrical all the systems are back in that corner. So they've used every inch of space. Hi, bunnies. I forget what it's called. Brownie. The brown one's Brownie, and the other one, I forget what the other one's named. But they're cute. I know my kids have been over here before, and they love to play with the bunnies. So, you want me to pet a bunny? I don't know. I don't know if they like. I don't want them to get scared. Hi, bunnies. Bunnies. Hi. Well, this is Brownie. Oh, see, Brownie's a little nervous. Brownie doesn't know me. I forget this one's name. Look how cute, though. You guys are so cute. I'm not going to take him out, but those are our little helpers of the day. Hi, bunnies. Who doesn't love bunnies? Brownie's newer, so he's a little bit more skittish. So he's camera shy. Brownie is super camera shy. He didn't like that. But I put him on camera. He got a little bit offended. He got offended. You know what? I think that they might need to find a home for them. I'm not sure. Actually, no, I think they're going to take them along. But Megan was saying, do they come with the house? I don't think so. Brownie is famous now. Okay, that was fun. Anyway, that's the tour of this beautiful house. I hope you've enjoyed it. I need to go to the dentist now. That's the next thing on my list, and I need to leave right now. Okay, so the price of this house is $599,900. If you can believe that, it's around 2,000 square feet. I think it's over 2,000 square feet. White kitchen, like brand new. It smells new. There's nothing wrong with this house. You guys won't even believe it. Anyways, $599,900. You can have a quick possession if you want. They're pretty open about that. So yes, it's an amazing price to get into Cooper's at that price. So if you want to see it, message me and we will get you in. Message our team, message me, message any one of us, and we'll make sure you get in, okay? Thanks for watching, everybody. It's been a blast. We'll see you soon. Bye.